In this video, we're going to focus much on oxidation number. After watching this video, you'll be in a position to calculate or assign oxidation numbers of elements in a complex ions. So, let me start by defining oxidation number. Oxidation number, sometimes it is also called oxidation state. Oxidation state. So we can define this one as the number of electrons gained, lost or shared. So let me write here number of electrons gained, lost or shared during chemical bonding. Kumbukira ndikuti for an element to attain its stability, imatha kupanga gain electrons, sometimes it kupanga lose electrons if it's a metal, gain if it's non metal, komanso it kupanga share to form covalent bonding. So that's about oxidation number. Sometimes it can also be defined as a charge on an atom or ion or a compound. So let me write that one. It can also be called charge on ion, compound, komanso atom. Inatitonena choncho. Mwachitsanzo tikhale ndi magnesium. Magnesium ali pa number 12 pa periodic table. Ali pa number 12. So it means magnesium ali ndi 12 protons. Pachitimane kuti number of protons nchimodzimodzi number of electrons. So if you can write electron configuration of this guy, first shell ikakhala ma electrons awiri, second shell ma electrons 8. So tikaphatikiza 2 and 8 itipatsa 10. So we akwane 12. The final shell, which is the last shell, ikatenga ma electrons awiri. So that's the sum. Now this number here, magnesium kuti akhale stable, akufunika ma electrons 8. Nde kuti akwane 8 apapa akufunika abwere 6 kapena tichotse yomwe ili apa ipiti kuti atsale 8 apa. So which one is the simplest way? The best way to gain 6 electrons kuti akhale 8 ndi kuchotsa electrons awiri kuti atsale 8 apa. The simplest way is to lose these electrons. So when an element loses electrons, charge makhala positive. So in that case, magnesium charge yake makhala positive 2. That's why magnesium ion imaoneka Mg 2+. You see? So agula amene wawa ndikuti oxidation number yawo ikhala +2. Bas nimene mapangira. I should also take advantage on this one. There's a difference between valency and valence. Let me write here valence. Some students amasokoneza valence and valence. When you talk about valence, this is number of electrons in the outermost shell. Number of electrons in the outermost shell. Whereas valence, this one you can define it as the combining power. Combining power of on an ion or of an ion of an ion. Kapena number of electrons gained, lost by an element. That's a valence. For instance, tibwelele pa magnesium pomwepa. Timakamba zoti magnesium configuration yake ndi 282. Ababa this is valence. That's 2 electrons in the outermost shell. That's a valence. Komana taluza kuti pezi valence of this magnesium ndekuti yankho ife idzakhala 2+, ndekuti akuyenera kuluza ma electrons awiri. What about oxygen? In terms of oxygen ali in group 6. Ali in group 6 ndekuti tikamuwerenga pamene pajapo ali pa position 8. So let me put 8 there. If you can write electron configuration of oxygen, ndekuti first shell ndi 2, ndekuti akutsala 6. In this case, this is valence. The valence of oxygen, it's 6 electrons. Whereas for this one, to attain stability, ndekuti akufunika ma electrons awiri. Kuti kwa 8. So because the oxygen is gaining, charge makhala ya negative. As a result, aguluwa tizaika -2. We call this one valence. You see, that's a valence. Now, mukudziwa kali kuti oxygen charge yake makhala 2-. Ready? Adawawa ndikuti oxidation number ndikuti zakhala -2. You see? So abawo nokufuna ndipange emphasize kuti oxidation number ndi chani. So number of electrons gained, lost or shared kapena charge present on an atom, a compound as well as ion. Yeah, so that's the thing about this thing. Consider also reaction acid base. Tipange CH3COOH akuyasi komanso tipange react ndi water which is H2O. This reaction is reversible. Chimeji majitika nchota hapa, this one it's a base, this is acid. The acid amapanga donate electrons, whereas a base accept electron. So what will happen here, tizatenga H alabai tikapereka uku, so it will form H3O nanga si walandira, it will be like that. Tapanga form hydronium ion then plus amira jotsa bai ndikuti ndi CH3COO-. You see, apa ndikuti oxidation number ya chinthu chilapachi, oxidation number yake ndikuti ndi -1. So that's the thing, izi nzomwe ndimafuna ndikuuzeni yetu. So yeah, mind you, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as like my Facebook page, Unique Online Classes Malawi. And if you have any question in any subject, my number, that's 0882435562. You can also be a member of Unique Online Classes Malawi on WhatsApp. So let's now proceed and with the laws of assigning oxidation numbers. What are the laws? Let's now do laws when it comes to assigning oxidation number. Law number 1, oxidation number of neutral molecules kapena free atoms which are combined in makhala 0. So let me write that one. Oxidation number of neutral molecules free atoms abantu ntozokuti uncombined is 0. kungolemba chlorine chonchi like this, adawo ndekuti oxidation number is 0. kuzalemba sodium something like this uncombined ndekuti oxidation number is 0. That's what I mean here. Another law kuti oxidation number of an atom ion is equal to its charge. So oxidation number of an atom ion is equal to its charge. You remember pajani makamba zote ion ya magnesium, let me change color. Ion ya magnesium, it's 2 plus, so oxidation number of magnesium ion is a color plus 2. Potassium the plus 1, the oxidation number is a color plus 1. You see, mugamapanga aza in charge chintu chimakhala kuma origin side makhala kumbuyo kwa number, right? Kuma when it comes to oxidation number I mean sign is khala kutsogolo kwa number, right? What about chlorine? Chlorine link group 7, therefore amafuna only 1 electron, charge yake makhala negative, therefore oxidation number of chlorine it will be -1. Lamulo ina amanena kuti oxidation number of non-ionic oxidation number of hydrogen in non-ionic compounds, oxidation number of hydrogen in non-ionic compounds is positive 1, whereas in ionic halides, in ionic metal halides, yeah, should be metal halides, hydrogen is a charge again masinta, I mean oxidation number again masinta color -1. For instance, metal halides like sodium halide akula wawa, the oxidation number is a color -1, whereas in non-ionic, let's say water, this one it's non-ionic, oxidation number of hydrogen is a color +1. That's what it means. China, oxidation number of oxygen, rule number 4, oxidation number of oxygen, is always -2, except in peroxides. Remember about except in peroxides, e.g. hydrogen peroxide, ogogo oxidation number yage ya oxygen igakhala -1. Oxidation number of oxygen in peroxide makha -1. Komanso this compound here, or F2, omuma manya kuti oxidation number of oxygen imakhala +2. Yeah, malamulo amakamba zimenezozo. Rule ina, which is rule number 5, amanena kuti the sum of oxidation numbers of all atoms in a formula of a neutral compound is 0. So let me write that one. Sum of all oxidation numbers of all atoms there is where sum of oxidation numbers of all atoms in a neutral compound is 0. Yeah, majitsanzo. Think of magnesium oxide. This one it's a neutral compound. hauna kuti tikapanga zaidi tikaphatikiza oxidation number zonse in this compound yankho yake ndi 0. Mwachitsanzo magnesium timanena kuti oxidation number yake ndi +2 ndedi phatikize oxidation number of apa magnesium ali mmodzi, that's why ndangoika +2 inganakhala kuti alipo mwiri ndiyo ikanapanga +2 times 2, whereas oxygen alipo mmodzi and oxidation number yake ndi -2. So if you add izizi answer ikatipatsa 0. Zimwe zotanthauza kuti mwakhala ndi any neutral compound mungoza kuti oxidation number yake ikakhala 0, like ija chomwe ndinalemba kuti CH3COOH. You see, this one is a neutral one. Therefore, oxidation number of this guy, the sum of all oxidation numbers, ndekuti apa ndi 0. Sinapange indicate, angokhala kuti sanapange indicate, mungoza kuti that one should be 0. The final rule, it says that the algebraic sum of all oxidation numbers of the atoms in polyatomic or complex ion is equal to the charge of that ion. So the sum of all oxidation numbers, the sum of all oxidation numbers of the atom, of the atoms sorry, in polyatomic ion. This polyatomic ion sometimes imachidwa kuti complex ion, muidziwa kuti ndo tanthauza chani. It's a complex ion, aona kuti is equal to its charge. The sum of all oxidation numbers of the atoms in polyatomic ion is equal to its charge. That was already charge of that ion. Think of ammonium ion. Ammonium ion imakhala NH4+. You see? Now kuti tikaphatikiza oxidation number ya uyu ndi oxidation number of 4 hydrogens. Answer yake katipatse positive 1. Mwachitsanzo nitrogen oxidation number yake imakhala -3. It's -3. Ndipo talipo mmodzi tipanga times 1 then plus oxidation number of hydrogen ndi +1 kena kuti times ndi 4 chifukwa alipo 4. Tone apa ndi kuti we have -3 then plus tikatimes itipatsa +4. So if you add -3 plus 4 answer ikutuluka +1. So you can see that's the answer. Kungokhala ndi polyatomic ion that combine power, bas just pick that one. Chimodzimodzi so titakhala ndi akula wawo mukadziwa sulfate ion ndikuti tikaphatikiza all oxidation numbers here answer ikatipatse mkulu ali apa. Chimodzimodzi so this one Cl or 3 minus up something like this. The sum of all oxidation numbers here of akulawa chlorine and oxygen alibi answer ikatipatse 1. So just a matter of picking that charge of ion couldn't be the oxidation numbers. Hey my guys, I think we can now start calculating oxidation number. You should assign oxidation numbers of elements. So let's say we have been asked to find the oxidation number of chlorine in that polyatomic ion. So we have ClO3 minus 1. So what we're gonna do to find the oxidation number of this one, we can just say let ClO oxidation number kale kaya M. You see? So chomwe tipanga apo since M alipo mmodzi apo C alipo eka ndeka kangaliwa 1 yemwe which is M. So it will be M then plus oxygen alipo mungati mutatu like 3 kenako O then answer itipatse -1. Remember this one tukupanga apply rule number 1 2 3 4 5 should be rule number 6 if I'm not mistaken, should be rule number 6 yongo nyamula that charge of an ion. China chomwe tipange, we are putting M here, then plus 3 oxygen oxidation number yake ndi jana, oxidation number ya oxygen ndi -2, then here answer itipatse -1. Kenako we have M, the product of plus 3 and -2 answer itipatse -6. You see, and here we have -1. So what we're gonna do, we're going to take M is equal to taking this one this side, so we're going to have -1, then plus 6, which is equal to plus 5. Therefore oxidation number in that platonic ion chlorine ndikuti answer yake ndi plus 5 yateka. What if you have been asked to find oxidation number of chlorine in that molecule? No need to calculate. We're gonna just apply rule number 1. Imemana kuti oxidation number of neutral molecules kapena kuti ma free atoms which are combined, oxidation number yake imakhala 0. Don't bother. Palibe sign ine liyonse chingokhala choncho ngoza kuti it's neutral, answer ndi 0. Bas nimene mungapamangira apapo. I think let's now try oxidation number of sulfur. We should find the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion to find the oxidation number of that one. So just let oxidation number of sulfur could kaleka x. You see, so above we have 1x alipoeka up, so tingopanga ngati x, then plus oxygen alipo 4, so just put 4, or then is equal to -2. Sorry, -2. Kenako we're going to have x, then plus 4 there. Then next oxidation number of oxygen the 2, then 2 minus it is equal to -2. So here it will be x, the product of plus 4 and the less 2, answer made but -8. So huku take -2. So just take this guy agapite that side, so it will be x is equal to -2 plus 8, which is equivalent to +6. Bas ndimanguti therefore oxidation number of oxygen yangawake ndi +6. Please also kuti 6 plus sigwira, it's like charged. These means also have oxidation number indicate sign kali in front of your number. Here my guys, this is how you can do it. Let's see how can do this problem. And now go in the equation below, work out the oxidation number of manganese in MnO 4 abali negative omakoneka wangono, yeah, bali negative amene, and state if it is being reduced or oxidized. So this is the equation. Now chambirira to answer this problem, let me write here solution. Chimeti pange tipezeka oxidation number ya dawa according to the question, kena kuti zone kuti akuluwa apangidwa oxidize kapena apangidwa reduce. So let the oxidation number of that manganese be any letter. So tingoika ngati khale ngati n. So n ndi modzi, ikana khala awiri tikanapanga n times 2, komana for this case hapa n into 1. Then we have plus oxygen alipo 4, so tika hapa 4O. then is equal to tilinga minus 1 yo tizaika up. So chomwe tipange to find n tipanga plus apa 4 times charge yakulu awo oxidation number of oxygen in the -2, then is equal to -1 there. And this one it will be n, then 4 times -2, answer that it's -8, then is equal to -1. To find the n, then we're gonna take this guy a bit go right hand side, so it will be n is equal to -1 plus 8, which is equal to plus 7. So abobo tabiza oxidation number of manganese as a positive 7. Now we can go back to our equation tikaone kuti chachitika ndi chani. So our oxidation number ya manganese tabiza kuti it's plus 7, whereas apa yakabizika kuti it's 2 plus. You see there. So we can conclude say that number ya joka pa plus 7 kukathira pa plus 2. You see? Foka baba charge ndi 2, then manena kuti timangotenga charge yo as oxidation number ndekuti adawa it's plus 2. So you can see kuti asintha kuchoka pa plus 7 ukafika pa yani pa plus 2. So conclusion imwe mungapange apa, remember you can watch my video yokuza ndi oxidation and reduction in terms of oxidation number. So our oxidation number atani yapanga drop 5 times, not 5 times, yatsika ndi 5 kuchoka pa 7 kukathira pa 2. Therefore decrease in oxidation number timana kuti it's reduction. So we can just say kuti manganese has been reduced. But this is how you can do these things. I think and we're getting so with this lesson about the oxidation number. Let's meet in the next video. But just a reminder, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as like in my Facebook page. They both bear the same name, Unique Online Classes Malawi. And if you have any question in any subject, my WhatsApp number, that's 082-435-562. That's my WhatsApp number. You can be a member of Unique Online Classes Malawi on WhatsApp. Here my guys, it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.